Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play box air on the G string on the violin. First, let's ensure your basic setup is correct. Hold your violin securely and comfortably, with your chin rest providing good support. Your bow hand should be relaxed, allowing for fluid movement. Tuning your instrument accurately, particularly the G string, is crucial for achieving the beautiful harmonies of this piece. A well-tuned G string will be your foundation. Now, let's focus on the left-hand fingering, primarily in first position. The piece begins with an open G string. For the subsequent notes, place your first finger on the G string to play A. Your second finger will then play B-flat, and your third finger will play C. Remember to keep your fingers curved and relaxed, landing them firmly but gently on the string to produce clear, resonant tones. Precision in finger placement is key. Achieving the beautiful, expressive tone of air on the G string largely depends on your bowing technique. Employ a long, sustained bow stroke, drawing the bow smoothly across the G string to create a rich, singing quality. Experiment with subtle variations in bow speed and pressure to add dynamic nuances and emotional depth to your playing. Always strive to keep your bow straight and parallel to the bridge for optimal sound production and clarity. Finally, let's discuss musicality and effective practice. Listen intently to the beautiful melodic lines and the underlying harmonic progression of the piece. Practice slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo as your accuracy improves. Focus on connecting each phrase smoothly, aiming for a seamless, lyrical performance. Remember, consistent, thoughtful practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes daily, will significantly enhance your interpretation and technical mastery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.